If you want to install Fortnite on your Android phone, you are in the right place. First, you are going to open the settings on your phone. Scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. Then find the app Chrome or whatever browser you are using on your Android phone. Open it and then scroll down until you see install unknown apps. Just toggle on this option. Later, after finishing to install Fortnite, you need to toggle off this option to be safe. We are downloading and installing a safe app, but of course there are also dangerous apps out there, so please toggle off this option after installing Fortnite. Then we are going to open epicgames.com, the official website from Epic Games. Scroll down until you see games and expand it. Tap on Fortnite. A new website page is opening. Then tap on install right here and then tap on this big download now button. Confirm if your phone is asking for permission. After downloading, open the file and tap on install. Once the Epic Games app is installed, just open it. Tap on get started and log in or create a new account if you haven't one. Once you are finally logged in, then you will see this page right here where you can find different games to download and install. Since we want to install Fortnite, just tap on this cloud download icon or just search for Fortnite in the top search box. Once we found Fortnite, we are just going to click on this cloud download icon and then Fortnite is being downloaded. Your device maybe will ask you for permission if you haven't toggled on this option before. Just accept and toggle on. After downloading, just tap on install. It can take a while, up to 10-20 minutes or even more, depending on your internet speed. And yes guys, after installing you need to sign in into Epic Games again and then just go through every step until you reach the page for playing. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.